Shade 45, it is the morning after, and I'm Angela Yee. And Capone Noriega are here, still going strong.
Yes, yes.
I always wanted to ask you, the morning after, is that pill?
Yeah, it could be.
It's the pill that, like, after...
Yeah, Plan B.
The dude skeeted off in you.
Mm-hmm.
you take the pill the morning after.
The morning after pill.
Why you don't take it right away? Why it's not the right away pill?
I mean, because it might be late at night. Where are you going to get it from?
No, but I'm saying, like, don't usually morning. You gotta go get you don't usually have that in your possession. Like
you could have it.
You don't know. They run around with it. Like I see girls run around with condoms. Like real.
Why
talk.
shouldn't a girl have a condom?
Nah, but I mean like that's natural. But a morning after
real.
pill.
Stop being old fashioned. A woman
like
can't
if you're running around with a morning after pill, you don't even need it. Word.
Well, with the morning after pill, you still have 72 hours to take it. It's just called.
Wow. It's 3 days.
Yeah, you have 3 days.
You got contemplating time.
Well, yeah, you know, and plus you might need time to get to the drugstore.
I'm like 2 minutes away from Erlen on the keyboard pad.
Nah, excuse me.
If you are gonna throw right here.
Would I be the first person to ever Earl on your shirt?
Your shirt.
No, somebody else did. Who threw up in here?
Can I Earl on your shirt? Because your shirt is mad buttery.
You like my sweater?
you like glitter from
I
Mariah
have
Carey.
sequins on. You saw glitter?
No.
He was one of the 32 people who saw it.
I saw glitter. You better chill out. Yeah, I saw glitter, a little bit of it. I never got through the whole thing.
Let me stop from the
I never saw
song about
Precious. I never saw Precious. I saw about...
Why does Precious have to do with glitter?
Because I saw about 14 minutes of that as well.
Verizon. That's a connection.
Verizon
exactly.
Precious?
See, this is my man. He defines my stupidity, he make me intelligent.
See, he rocks with you, Angela Oxley. We got a team.
That's not fair. That's not fair. You can't take the girl and I take the guy. Even though he's my friend, you can't do that. It makes me feel like I'm like flugatory.
Now let's talk about what you're here for. I just recently saw the video you guys posted. You're halfway done with the War Report 2.
We're actually done.
You're done?
We're actually done. Oh, I'm actually done. I don't have to record anymore.
So who's not done?
My man Kayam Capone Mahali just had
to
do his shit.
No. See what it is, man. We got the system. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not like I'm didn't do the songs.
Mm-hmm.
He just recorded. You know what I'm saying?
So you did them, but you didn't record them?
No. What I'm saying is he just recorded them. So it's my go.
So wait, I'm confused. So your part
I like your journalistic skills.
Your part is all written?
Yeah, basically.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
She's getting on him.
She sound like the A&R right now.
Her journalistic skills.
Is your part written or not?
She got to the bottom of the subject without even asking. Yeah, keep going, Angie.
So you wrote your part, you just haven't gone in and laid down the vocals for it.
Yeah.
So are you?
Because we're gonna go see my man Scram Jones and we're gonna lock it out.
What does that have to do with you doing your parts in the songs and knowing?
Because Scram has a studio.
Okay.
Damn, I defended you and I was not trying to defend you like that.
That's just natural.
It's natural.
So, alright, I'm still confused about this. So, but you managed to do your part, and you went to go see Scram and did your part.
No, I did my shit early. I do. I'm like, you know what it is? I'm like, a bus. I can't really tell. It might have been both.
That shit was a furp.
I bust fast.
That was a first. A fart and a burp. A furp.
I go straight in.
Yeah, I thought that was you that said that just now. I ain't see your lips moving though. Like,
as a matter of fact, I can smell that.
Yeah. Or the fart. You don't even know.
I don't know what it was, but it doesn't smell good.
We've been drinking all night.
Tiger Bone and Goose.
Where did we go to?
We went to see Envy.
No, we seen Ed Lover first.
Ed Lover first.
Jersey Girl.
See Ed Lover first.
He turned. He got Queens turned out.
He
was like, come on in, Noriega. These niggas
Yo,
don't have to be here. They here tonight.
I never seen my intro to the intro to
He played the intro to the
Rockin' in the club. The intro.
In the club?
Rockin'. I never seen that. That was live for me, man.
Nice, feels good.
I got mad strippers numbers. I didn't mean to do that.
Wait, last night with K Slay?
No. K Slay has porno stars. It's a big difference.
Sometimes
when strippers was trying to give me their numbers, and I was like, listen, baby girl, I'm like cool.
Strippers aren't supposed to do that.
I'm cool.
That's against the law on stripology.
Are they going to be at the party tonight at Imperial?
Listen,
Who, the porn stars?
The strippers.
Oh, the strippers. I think we should have porn stars and script.
That's Capone talking right now, y'all.
I didn't. Hey, listen, I didn't say for me, but I just said we should have porn stars and script.
Yo, I like my nigga Signals. His Signals, he done upgraded his.
I thought he was a gangbanger.
He did some shit like this.
DJ Wonder's trying to signal.
He went from Blood to Crip.
Shade 45.
The Vice Lord, the Pyro.
Capone and Noriega.
Dog Planet, baby.